The central government has proposed a multi-layered security approval framework and stricter rollout conditions for satellite communication companies under the draft Telecommunications Rules 2026, making a Department of Telecommunications license alone insufficient to begin operations. According to the draft rules published on June 17th, companies such as Starlink, Eutelsat, OneWeb and Satcom will be required to obtain explicit government permission before launching satellite-based phone and broadband services for public use. The proposal also mandates security clearance even before the issuance of a letter of intent, which is a preliminary step toward obtaining a formal license. Even after securing a license, operators will need to wait for final spectrum allocation before commencing services. The government plans to allocate radio spectrum through an administrative process with an annual fee ranging from 30,000 rupees to 50 lakh rupees depending on the type of service. The draft rules further restrict satellite communication companies from connecting their networks with public telecommunication systems without prior government approval. This includes links to landline networks, public switched telephone networks, public land mobile networks, global mobile personal communication by satellite systems and standard internet networks. The Department of Telecommunications has invited stakeholders to submit feedback on the draft rules within 30 days before finalizing the regulatory framework. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.